Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to set up free shipping on TikTok Shop. So if you want to go ahead and offer a free shipping onto your product on your TikTok Shop, then this is a step-by-step guide for you. So as you can see, we're currently onto the TikTok Shop Seller Center already. So here, you should be able to see onto the left side the different options that you could choose from. So we have here the homepage, products, and many more. And first, to be able to offer the free shipping, you need to head onto the promotions. So click onto that, and you should be able to see campaigns and promotional tools. So you need to click onto promotional tools for that one, and then once you are already in there, you should be able to see the different promotional tools that it offers. So if you scroll down in here, you should be able to see the shipping fee discount. So as of the moment, it is unavailable onto my account since this tool is only available to sellers who have passed their probationary period. So these will offer shipping incentives to increase conversions and lower cart abandonment rates. So you'll just need to create for this one so that you could go ahead and create or set up a free shipping onto your product. And that's just basically it onto setting up free shipping on TikTok Shop. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.